Check this out, a 2015 Nissan Frontier. It's four-wheel drive too. Yeah, it's only got 45,000 miles on it, so I mean low miles for a 2015. Plenty of room in the back seat as well, so if you have to have some passengers, they've got plenty of room back here. It's just like, it's so big, it's sitting in your living room. It's even got a bed extender and a spray-in bed liner too. It's an SV four-wheel drive, and it's got a trailer hitch on it. So if you have to tow something, just hook up your trailer and go. It also has a backup camera. Okay, so it's Charlie Foster at John Sinclair Nissan. Come on down and take a look at this little Nissan Frontier. It's a great little truck. Call me, 573-380-3700. I'll be waiting for you.